So in the third tutorial, I'm going to just add in different cabinet heights and start to separate some of the cabinets on all of the views. Figure out where to put in my vent for the range cabinet here above the refrigerator, and then separate areas where there's windows. So first off, I want to bring in where my faucet is. I forgot to do this in the last video. So I know it's going to be in the middle here. I'm going to just draw a line down and find out where that is. I'm going to take this faucet and move it from the middle to this point right here above or on the countertop. Then I can delete this. Okay, so above your range or refrigerator, you have different cabinet heights. So I'm going to draw in where that one would be. So right here, if I take this over, the second one is the height for the cabinet above my refrigerator. So I'm going to separate this one. Right there will be two cabinets or whatever I choose to put. And now I can trim the rest of this line away because I don't need it. Above my range, I'm going to need a specialty cabinet as well. So I'm going to take where the range is and just transfer these lines back up. And I'm going to go with the highest one here. Now I can trim away the opening. So I've set up this area. Now I can put a hood here. I can put a microwave, whatever I choose. I no longer need these three lines. I can delete them. I still need this side view though, because if I was standing right where my mouse is, looking this way, I can see the side view of this. Now what I would want to do is to start to separate my cabinets on this face, or come down here and section off where the windows are and where my upper cabinets end. So right here, my upper cabinets end. I'm going to take this, transfer down, and then trim away. I don't need this line here or this one, and that can go away. So I'll have upper cabinets here. I put my dishwasher in place, and I drew down before these edges where the sink were, and I said that this is going to change. I'm going to get rid of this line here, but I want to know how much space is in between these two, because I want it to be symmetrical from side to side. So if that's 6, I want the same thing here. So I'm going to offset. And yours might be a different measurement. Mine just happens to be 6. Now this separates another cabinet that's going to go in place here. I'll probably put one drawer and then 2 doors. Over here, I have space for probably drawers, as I'm probably going to want to put drawers next to my dishwasher. And then here, cabinets and drawers, or so on. And same. So I've separated all of this. I need to put down where my windows are. I know that I have 2 windows. Now, your windows that you drew for your elevations are no longer going to work in these spots. Your windows that you drew for your elevations were 3 feet by 4 feet, 2 feet off the ground. Your base cabinet is 3 feet off the ground. So you have a total of 4 feet 8 to work with. I'm probably going to set up these new windows 1 foot off. And then go up a little bit. It's 3 foot 8. So I'm going to make these 3 by 3 windows. Draw down 36. And over. You could choose what measurements you want. You can go higher up. But in these spots here, I'm then going to design myself a window. I'll probably make 1 and just copy it over. So now I've officially separated all of the items. I've put in where my windows will be. I put in where each set of cabinets would go. In the next step, I'm going to then start to design cabinets and start to use them and put them into place.